This 2015 Newmar Canyon Star 3920 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Tallahassee, Florida 32304 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Tallahassee. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features 2 entry/exit doors. This 2015 Newmar Canyon Star 3920. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.